Today we are going to review an amazing portable wireless food processor by Nuled. Nuled is a tech brand that designs and manufactures world-class tech products, all of which are equipped with latest technology and outstanding performance to enhance user experience. And in this video we are going to introduce their portable wireless food processor that will amaze you. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more details. Let's unbox it and see package contents. You can find a beautiful chopper stick and a USB charging cable, food processor, main engine, cup lid, fixed shaft blades and blades. As a compact and lightweight electric chopper, Nuled electric mini food chopper fitted with a 150-watt motor designed to drive 3 reinforced blades that provide better performance for reliable results. Nuled 300 ml cordless food processor is only 0.9 kilograms weight, free to move anywhere in the kitchen or other place. This chopper is powered by a USB rechargeable. Once the battery charged, it provide better backup. Now let's take a look of its functional or operational steps. Put the product in the flat places. Just fill the container with your ingredient. Hold and support the main engine tightly. Lock the cover, press the power of the mini chopper, and the perfect minced food completed. Nuled garlic mincer works for your everyday cooking. When finishing food grinding and main engine stop working, take down the main engine, open the lid and take out the blades. Take out the food with a scraper or chopsticks. Nuled cordless chopper comes with the transparent baby food glass container. You can see the situation of the food anytime, and get the food size you want. Nuled baby food chopper adopts food grade 304 stainless steel blades of the mini chopper are more resistant to rust and corrosion. BPA-free material that is harmless, easy to clean and safer compared to plastic bowls. Please clean the parts of the food processor that are touched with first time used. For fruits and vegetables, put the blades of the bottom of the fixed shaft blades properly. Make the fruits or vegetables into pieces or strip shapes, wide 1 to 2 centimeters. The quantity cannot exceed the half of the cup. When doing with strip-shaped foods, the amount cannot exceed the 1/4 by 5 of the cup. The cup should be locked with the main engine tightly when making food. Press the on or off switch lightly and the product start working. Nuled portable wireless food processor is ideal for making food. You can use Nuled mini grinder, helps you complete the quick small jobs, like chopping garlic, ginger, peppers, carrots, vegetables, onions, fruits, and more. The product cannot process the dry soybean, rice, frozen meat, and other hard foods. No difficult twisting or locking, just place the lid, blade, and you are about to chop. Dismountable blade and glass bowl design make it super easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Nuled offers 1-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact Nuled directly for the USA-based customer service. So this was today's review. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.